Hello and welcome to Tableau Desktop Training course. My name is Dhirendra Pandey and I will be your trainer. I am very excited for you to join me on this journey. In this video, we'll see introduction about Tableau. What is Tableau? What are the advantages of using a Tableau? And how can we use it for creating analytical reports with an example? So what is Tableau? Tableau is a BI tool. By saying BI tool, we refer to an application software that helps in visualizing and analyzing our data, after which we get the insights into how our business is performing. So now we will talk about the advantages of using Tableau. The first is visualization capabilities. Tableau is very rich with options that helps in creating or getting in deep analysis that gives to gain deep insights on how our business is performing. The next advantage is real-time analysis. By directly connecting Tableau with data source helps in getting real-time data-driven decisions. So the next advantage of using Tableau is multiple data source connections. Tableau makes it very easier to import your data from various data sources like from Excel or any database like Oracle, MS SQL Server, MySQL, etc. The next is ease of use. Tableau is very user friendly. The drag and drop feature of Tableau makes it easier in use. Anyone can use it without background knowledge of programming. The only things needed from your side are basic computer knowledge, how to use mouse, keyboard, or how to save a file or open a file. Some experience with spreadsheet program will help in comparison between the tools and will increase your willingness to learn. The next is data blending. Data blending is a very good feature available with Tableau. You can work on two or more files which do not share any common feature but are needed for your report or analysis. You can use it by the concept of data blending. So the next advantage of Tableau is LOD expressions, that is level of detail expressions. Level of detail expressions allow us to combine different aggregation levels in the same view. LOD expressions produce a separate call to the data source and produce a row level value as far as Tableau is concerned. So the next advantage of using Tableau is its mobile friendliness. By saying mobile friendliness, we would say the size of the dashboard that we have prepared for our report, for our analysis, fits to any screen it is displayed on, whether it is a tablet screen or mobile screen or desktop screen. So when we talk about the products of Tableau, we can say there are many products available with Tableau, like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Server, Tableau Reader, and many more. Data analytics in Tableau can be classified in two sections. First is developer tools, the other one is sharing tools. Developer tools include or provides development such as creation of dashboards, charts, visualizations, etc. The products that fall under this category are Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. Sharing tools, the purpose of this tool is to share the visualization, reports, dashboards that were created using the developer tools. Products like Tableau Online, Tableau Server, and Tableau Reader falls under this category.